noong 2022 during the height of Unithieves debacle, leaving us heartbroken with many progressives kind of giving up already kasi nga again, that's 30 billion to their 15. No, isa ako sa mga estudyante at youth na hindi nakaboto noong eleksyon. Kaya nga, mag-isa lang si Sen. Risa sa Senado. At, nung tumakbo siya, and even, I think she was at number 10 at that point. Now, talagang alam nating lahat na in all realities, maganda na dalawa lang silang tandem. Kumbaga parang mas madaling pakinggan, mas madaling i-suggest sa tao na, dalawa sila. Mas madaling isingit sa mga boboto ng maka-alyansa at maka-Duterte. And, no, I won't attribute Kiko Mam's success to personalities or endorsements like by Iglesia ni Cristo or any fucking governors and all that stuff. Only the youth who bugged their parents and their peers to vote for Kiko, Bam, Heidi, Luke. It's the students pushing their parents to vote for the two. Wala ring malakasang block voting ang Alyansa and Duterte, with many even under voting. I know I have. And I don't think I voted for any Duterte candidate, but I did vote for Abby Binay. And then the rest would be PLM and Heidi and Makabayan, some Makabayan. Now, talagang outstanding ang mga kabataan. They clutched and brought home the winning factor to surge Kiko, Bam, and Akbayan and even Mamayang Liberal to the front lines, to the top, and to do, or at least to have a fighting chance or representative na pwedeng sumama kay Risa as an independent opposition. Although, mas maganda sana kung hindi masyadong nag-dominate ang Akbayan kasi nanakawan tuloy ang Makabayan bloc with Gabriela post to losing their seat, their only seat, unless ma-disqualify ang Samportales ahead of them. And Bayan Muna faces delisting after failing to secure seats for, I think, consecutive election cycles already. Now, sa susunod, isasama na rin natin si Heidi Mendoza, Luke Espiritu, even Leody de Guzman, although a lot of people kind of had the icky when it comes to her and, the Makabayan bets. I mean, isipin mo, Heidi had like 6 million people voting for her, top 21. So, that's mind-blowing. Kasi kahit dito sa Caloocan, which is Duterte town, top 12 siya. So, that's mind-blowing.